And then, kailangan mong iselect yung correct na parang like transaction why you're using this tax form. And it's asignación de número de identidad de extranjero nie a instancia del interesado. So, yan yung gagamitin mo. So, may different, ano yan kasi, di ba, parang types. So, make sure na ito, andito siya sa under niyan. And then, pagka-scroll mo sa baba, lalabas na dyan kung magkano yung babayaran. So, lokalidad, kung saan pa rin consulate yung located, yung pag-a-applyan mo. So, here, for this example, it's Makati. And then, of course, yung fetcha na ilalagay mo is yung date kung ano yung binigay nila sa'yo na appointment. So, yun yung make sure mo na ilalagay mo dito. And then, like I said before, nakasulat pa rin siya from date, month, and year. So, after that, kasi nakamatch naman siya dyan sa X15 form mo. So, you don't have to worry about that. And then, of course, hindi mo to babayaran like online or anything. So, ang ipipiliin mo is yung N-Efectivo. And then, after mo, piliin yung N-Efectivo. And then, pwede mong ilagay na yung basically parang ano dito, yung tawag doon, parang yung code na nakalagay dyan. So, pwede mong i-type out na yan dito and then you have to click on Descargar Impreso Rellenado. So, make sure na yung generated security thing ay like, for example, hindi mo, like mali siya or hindi mo na-type correctly, then may mga fields sa taas na matatanggal. So, make sure na i-double check mo na pag nagkamali ka tapos i-redo mo siya, uulitin mo yung ibang parts dun sa taas. So, you have to just make sure na ganito yung kind of itsura niya, na principal, na tama yung type of like gagawin mo, like assignation, and then multiple pages yun, and lahat yun kailangan mong i-print, and then kailangan mo lang pirmahan pagdating mo doon. And then pag makita mo dito, minsan kasi kahit print yung nilagay mo, or for example, kung save yung nilagay mo tapos ipapaprint mo sa labas, minsan hindi siya nasi-save as PDF, nasi-save siya as WebP file. So, i-print mo siya and then save mo as PDF. And then yan, masi-save mo na siya as PDF. I hope that helps, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon here in Spain. Ciao!